I have some cactuses and a succulent to repot, and I'm using this blue planter, which I'll be linking in the description. So I have this soil which I already have made, and this is a base soil. So with plants, I add sand and different ingredients to it. So I'll be covering the hole with the cocoa husk piece, and I'll be adding all the soil. This is dark colored soil, and when it gets wet it becomes more dark, and when it dries out it becomes very light. So this is also a way to know if the soil is dry or not. I'm adding Haworthia retusa, which is a very old plant and it has faced some sun damage because sun was hitting it directly. Also, if you're a beginner, use clay pots. I have used a very sandy soil which works fine for it because the roots are looking very nice. And if you have pest, make sure to control it immediately because they can spread and damage other cactus and nearby plants. This is a very new plant, I think 8 months old. This is Echinopsis subd nudata. Don't mind my pronunciation, I'm not a great with names. And I'm tapping little bit because I don't want to damage the roots. Also, if you are a beginner, do not prune roots because that can really damage if you do not have any idea how to prune roots. This is Astrophytum myrostigma quad, which looks so beautiful. I love Astrophytum, and this one is Tephrocarpus geometricus, which I absolutely fell in love with. Also, this soil is very like porous, like it has a very it is very airy and it has spaces for roots to grab onto, so it's not compact what I mean to say. And once you have your soil ready, potting plants becomes really very therapeutic, to be honest, and very easy. And I remove all the dust and gravel, all the particles with the help of my makeup brushes, which I don't use for makeup, and painting brush. And yeah, here are some tips. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.